So that's what we really focused on, and we use the pieces of the puzzle as a way to look at the overall environment. Okay? So what we really want to focus on this environment thing is a little demonstration that I'd like to do for you here. And this little demonstration is to really kind of explain what it means to create an environment for a successful project. Now, I have a plant here. This plant has amazing human form. This is a Bucero plant. But you know, it's kind of pathetic. It's kind of down low. I can't see too well. I want a lush, big Bucero plant. Okay, so I'm going to say, I'm in charge here. I'm going to give the command, and we're going to see what's going to happen here. All right? And can you be our helper here? Okay, no, all you have to do is just sit there and watch. And you're going to be my auditor. You're going to be monitoring our progress. All right? So, here's my command. Grow. How am I doing? What's the problem here?
Not doing what he said.
It's not doing what I said. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm in charge. I gave the command. Was it clear?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Ah, I missed one thing. It's a Spanish plant. Okay? So, I know I have a Spanish person in the room, so let me see if I can do the command in Spanish. I'll even ask the plant, you know, what do you need here?
Kathy.
And what's your name?
Kathy.
Kathy. Did that work? No. What do I need to do to get a big Bucero plant?
We didn't nurture that plant.
Water it. Feed it.
Okay. What are all? Can you tell me what are all the elements I need? Nikki, what do I need to do to get a good Bucero plant?
Water, sun, nutrients, good environment.
Look at that! Nikki, that's it. We have a gift for you. We're making our Bucero plant grow. Okay? The plant knows how to grow. Just giving it a command, it's not going to make it happen. What's our leverage point that we have to do for a plant? We have to give it all those elements, the photosynthesis elements. That's what a good gardener does. Okay? Same thing for ourselves. You hire good people in your organization, and you really need to give them all what they need to be successful, not just the commands or expect them to do it when you give that.